If you're looking for a nice 3-bed, 1.5 bath, single family home right here in the heart of Telford, you got to check out 414 Acorn Ave. Let's go. Right when you walk in the front door, you can see you have a really spacious living room with just a few steps down to a bonus room over here, which leads you right out to the deck. This area is great for entertaining family and friends. Right off the living room, and just 3 steps down into this nice bonus room. The current owners are using this as their workout area. You could use it as a great playroom or an office, whatever you want to use it for. It's just a nice bonus area. And that leads right out to the nice 2-tier deck. This house is situated on just over 0.5 acres. You can see it has 1 shed here, 1 shed over there for your outdoor storage. And this deck has plenty of room for grilling and having a good time with the family and friends. A nice little feature, especially if you have young children or pets, they have this gate here that keeps you from going down to the basement. So I'm about 6 foot, so it looks like it's about 6.5 feet height here. So you can see this is where the laundry is situated and plenty of storage area. Something I love about the layout of this house is you have the living space over on this side of the house, and right through this doorway here, you got the dining area, the kitchen, half bathroom, 3 bedrooms, and 1 full bathroom around the corner. So right here you have bedroom number 1, which they're currently using as a home office. And right in between all 3 bedrooms, you have your full bathroom that was just remodeled in 2022. Something I really like about it, aside from the beautiful tile, is it has this farm door sliding glass doors for the shower. And then before you get to the other 2 bedrooms, you do have this area right here, which they're currently using as a large pantry. Keep coming through this side, and you have bedroom number 2. And finally, you have the master bedroom right here, which has ample closet space, and it's a really good size. A couple other things I didn't want to forget to mention. The roof was replaced in 2017. The HVAC was replaced in 2023, and the water heater was just replaced in October of 2024. So again, if you're looking for a single family home, a 3-bed, 1.5 bath right here in Telford, you have to check out 414 Acorn Ave. Make sure to reach out to us. My name is Doug Bear from the Doug Bear and Nate Boykin team. Talk to you soon.